Hi students, welcome to all of you. Good morning to you. Today, today we are going to see one of the very important American poem that is written by the Robert Frost, the American nature poet. It's very important due to that 100 years also after passing, the poem is having the good meaning and always having the good place in the literature. Let's start see this poem, that is The Road Not Taken. The symbolical title is given there, A Road Not Taken. Okay, simple story I'm telling you with the small ideas. There your father has got brought two gifts for you and your sister or brother younger, and whatever the gift is given to you, both of you has one condition. After getting the gift, you don't have to ask to each other whether what was in your gift. The gift was packed into the wrapper, a beautiful wrapper, so you don't have any idea what is kept into the another box. So always you have the idea in your mind that what was in the next box, what was the another box. You are not satisfied what you have exactly. What you have, you are not happy with your ideas, with your life. So the same, the road not taken, what we didn't get, we think about them, what we are getting, we are not happy with this. So let's start the poem, what Robert Frost is telling in this poem. If you are new on this channel, so please subscribe and like the video and press the bell icon also. So what introduction is given here, Robert Frost and his one friend went into the forest, and in that yellow wood, in that maple wood, they just enter into the forest, and there is a bait between them. Who will go on this one road? So Robert Frost has chosen the road which was very hardly used by the people, and Edward Lear, who is his friend, he has taken the another road which was very easy and very good for him. So Robert Frost think that what was about the road, how the road was there. So what he got, he didn't any idea about it. So let's start it. This well-known poem is about making the choices and the choices that shape us. Robert Frost is an American ordinary experience. Robert Frost is American poet who writes simply about the insightful, about the common and the ordinary experiences. In the life we have a lot of chances, especially we have two chances. Okay, one we are getting and one we are living. But after some time, when we are regretting about our choices, we think that if I would have taken this option, I should have taken this option, that may be possible the life had been changed. But exactly not like this. So many people, when we are seeing the society, there is two types of career we are making by choice or by chance. So some people, those are having the by chance, they get the career, they don't have any regret about them. But when we have the options to choose, when we are choosing something for our career, that time we think something different, like the Robert Frost, and still this condition is known for us. So let's see what he is telling in this first stanza. Two roads diverged in Yellowwood. There are two roads. Okay, when they are standing on the edge of the forest, and two wood mean here forest, yellow forest, maple forest. Here they are standing on the road where two roads are diverging. One road is, sorry, I could not travel both. Yes, that's a universal truth, that you can travel on the one. At one time you can travel on the one road only. The two roads cannot be taken at the same time. So it is the apologized by the poet that he could not travel on the both roads. It's very real, and therefore he has chose, be one traveler I'll long I stood. And as a traveler, he has choose only one. He has only one option. Actually, he has two options, but he had to choose one out of both. And look down one as far as I could. As a traveler, he looked toward the ways, toward the roads where they are diverging, where they are going inside to the forest. And definitely one is regular and one is known for everyone, but second one is not known and not very regular for people. So here diverge means to be separated. Okay, therefore in second stanza it says that to write it bent in the undergrowth, to where it bent in the undergrowth, the second road which he wanted, that was into the undergrowth. It is going inside the road, inside the forest, and this road, due to not used from so many years, that road become a very one. This road become the uneasy for everyone, or this become very having the cactus and clippers trees, and this road having no any sign of human leg. Therefore it is then look and took the other just as a fair, and I took the fair one. That was very easiest for me actually, and having perhaps the better claim, and the road which was very easiest for me, that I took very easily. And I had claims when we are choosing something. Okay, suppose you have the two choices, whether you have to be a doctor or whether you have to be an engineer. So you have taken the one option. When you are choosing the option as a doctor, you have the better claims, you have the lot of claims and lot of statements regarding your choice, because you have the ideas and you can give the explanation why you have chosen this field, why you have chosen this faculty. You have a lot of claims, you have a lot of reasons you can give to the people, and just have the same idea is here. When I took the road, when I took the way, I had a lot of ideas and a lot of claims regarding the road, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Because this was grassy and wanted wear, it was not very easy for one, and grassy has grass and wanted wear. Undergrowth means inside, a dense growth in the plants into the forest, and wanted wear means had not been used before, not used there. Creepers and trees and plants, bushes has many on this way. In the third stanza is telling that though as for the passing there, when I was passing from there, okay, passing from this road, both road had the same quality, had worn them really about the same. Both road has the same quality, same something, but something worn something. That road is very irregular one, and one is irregular, where the people hardly going there. And both that morning equally, both roads having the same distance or same something, and morning also will raise at the same time, same on this, because there is no one is not going to the heaven and one is not going to the hell, both having the same. In leaves no step had trodden black, and in that nobody has entered before in that road, and therefore I wanted that I should go on this road and had to find out the way. Still date nobody has kept the leg step on that road from many years. It is completely locked road or stop road. And lastly is telling that, oh, I kept the first for another day. The first, which was very good and regular for the other people, it was kept for another day when I will back on this. And this not specially, this is not happening in the life. When you have chosen the one option, the second option you cannot be kept for the option. Okay, second option you have to leave it. Okay, this is not possible in the life. And therefore the poet is telling that when I am keeping this one, that yet knowing how way lead on to way. I know that because this way is, I know how this way is there, but still I kept this one way as my second priority, and I kept for another day. And I thought that if I will come back, return, then I will be on this same road. I doubted if I should ever come back. I doubted should come back again. Not possible. Most of the time it is not possible. When you have chosen the option as a medical, so you can't, means hard, it's very difficult, it's very impossible to come again to do the engineering, because already you have wasted your time, because that time you already vested on the in your medical, so that I doubted I will return or not. Suppose I wanted to be a teacher in my from my childhood, and now I think that I want to be do something. So from 11th standard I have to start again. The 10 years I have to move back, but it is not possible for me. If I want to be something there today, then my age, my time, everything is lost, everything is went away. Now it is not possible for me. The 10 years I can't waste for the same education again. So this I doubted that I move back and come back one on this road. I shall be telling this with a sigh, and this I am telling, I will tell, or I shall tell in future with a sigh, with a complete frustration, with a complete that I am telling now the same thing. I want to be a doctor. I wanted to be a doctor in my childhood, so I want to do it now. Not possible. Already I have completed my education, and the same education for the same 10 years, 10-15 years, I can't go back to the past. So now I am telling it with a sigh. So many people you have seen in the society, they are discussing with us, they are telling us that what they wanted to do and how they kept their trials due to the family or economical condition or the social conditions. For that his parents were not allowing, not the condition was there. So things they are telling to us that why they could not success, why they could not be achieve what they wanted. So these are the very, they are telling with a sigh. Telling with a sigh means very frustration mood. And the last stanza he is telling to us that somewhere ages and ages hence, and whatever happened with him, with the simple road. See, the poem is very simple, poem having the simplest meaning, but it having the great impact on the society. It is great impact on the readers. Okay, whatever I am telling to you, okay, the first choose means what? You have to choose the options very clearly, very carefully, and with very heaviest mind. Now poet is regretting or not, we don't know that, but he is telling with a sigh. Actually what happened, we should whatever, and we don't know that what is the good choice and what is the wrong choice, we don't know that, but what we have chosen, we must be satisfied with this full. And we should, if suppose you are become the doctor and you wanted to be an engineer, so please be a doctor and love your job, love your profession. That is the only, you can't change your education, you can't change your degree. If I am the teacher and I want to change my profession, so it is something difficult, but whatever I am doing, I should do my work with a satisfaction, contentment, and a full mind, full happiness. Then and then it will be possible. So poet is telling that it is whatever happened with me with this road is happening from ages and ages, and it is happening with everyone. Two roads diverge in the wood from ages and ages. Two woods are diverging means every person in the life get the two chances, and not only for one time. It is always full life. We have the two chances, two choices. We are choosing one and leaving the another. Again we are passing on this, again we got two chances, again we choose one, and again the same thing happen years and years in our life. So two roads always diverge in the wood. Why he is telling the wood? Because wood is the future. Okay, wood is the future. When you are choosing your one option from the two, it is always in the future, and it is dense, it is unknown to everyone, it is unknown to you also, and the future also. It is, we don't know what will happen. And when you are choosing this one, I took hence one less traveled by, and I took the road which was least traveled by. Why is telling that least traveled by? Because the Robert Frost was not belonged to the very poor family or very low economical family. He was a very nice family, belonged to the nice family, aristocratic family, and therefore he had an option to be a doctor, engineer, or to be IAS officer or something, or got good rank into the military in British Army or American Army, because he was living. Sometimes he went to the Britain also. So he could come to the politics, and lot of options he had, but still he has chosen the one option as a literature or as a writer. and that was not equally not traveled by the people from his society. And therefore he's telling that what I chose, that option could not be traveled, hadn't traveled by the many people, and therefore, and that has made all the differences. And when I choose as a writer the career, writing as my career, that all differences are made here, and I let all the chances and all the differences are here. When you are choosing one choice from your life, and how you are performing it, how you are loving your job, loving your choice, that remember one sentence, that no choice, not your decision, no any decision is wrong in your life, but you have to prove it that it was right. Remember this, whatever you are choosing, whatever the option you are choosing, that is not wrong, but you have to prove it by your performance, by your career, that it was correct, it was not wrong. So here we are completing the poem, and therefore the questions are here. Where does a traveler find himself? What problem does he face? The same questions. Discuss what these phrases mean to you. What is the means of phrases? The traveling and the problem. These are the phrases. And if you don't know the phrases, I already made one video on the noun phrase, verb phrase, and the preposition. Please listen them, because these are very important topics. Yellow wood. What is the yellow wood? That is a noun phrase. It was a grassy and wanted wear. So which type of phrase it is, you have to find it out. The passing there, this is a verb phrase or the noun phrase, verb phrase. You have to find out why it is a verb phrase. And leave no step had a trodden black, also one is a phrase. How way lead on the way. Is there any difference between the two roads as the poet described them? Yes, definitely there is a difference. One is wanted and one is unwanted. Means one is very easiest one is very difficult one. In stanza 2 or 3 we can find out the answer. And the last two lines in the poem, that also we have to discuss. And what do you think the two last line of the poem mean? Last poem's meanings, what is, whether he is regretting on the choice or accept it, or whether he is loving them, what exactly he wanted to tell the readers, that I already discussed with you. Have you ever had to make difficult choices? You have the difficult choice in your life, and how you are choosing them, how you are making them choice, and how you are giving the priority to them. After you have made a choice, do you always think that what might have been, or do you accept the reality? Whatever the choice, I already told you, when we are choosing something, after some time we are regretting on this, we are not satisfied with this, and we are always thinking about the past, what we have done. So thank you for all of you, and I hope you understood the poem very well, and it will be helpful to you in your study. Bye bye, take care all of you. And still you have not subscribed, this is a thought given by Jawaharlal Nehru, you can help to this, and still you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video and press the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my blog philoindia.blogspot.com. Thank you for your motivational ideas. Bye, take care all of you.